Want to fix car problems without going to a mechanic every time? Today, we explore 7 of the best bidirectional scan tools for home mechanic tasks. These tools read codes, test parts, and help you repair faster. We compare features, ease of use, and value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the 7 best bidirectional scan tools for home mechanics. Let's get started. 1. Innova 5610, Best Bidirectional Scan Tool for Home Mechanic. The Innova 5610 Bidirectional Scan Tool helps you check your car at home. It can read engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission data. The tool works fast and simply shows results. You can also run tests like checking the fuel pump or brakes. This helps you find what is wrong without guessing. The screen shows live data in an easy format. You can see simple graphs and follow changes as the car runs. It also has reset features like oil reset, battery reset, and throttle relearn. These tools help you fix small problems by yourself. It works with many cars made after 1996. The tool also connects to a phone app. The app gives tips and helps you understand the problem better. Updates are free, so you don't need to pay later. The device feels strong and easy to hold. The price range is usually between $350 and $360. Verdict: this bidirectional scan tool is great for home users who want simple steps and easy car checks. 2. TOPDON AD800BT V2.0 Bidirectional Scan Tool. Feels like a small tablet you can hold. It has a big screen that is bright and easy to see. You can tap the screen to move around. This makes it simple for beginners to use at home. This tool can check many parts of your car. It reads engine, brakes, airbags, and more. It can also send commands to test parts. For example, you can test fans, fuel injectors, or windows. This helps you know if something is working or not. It works without wires, so you can move freely. This is great when working around your car. It supports many car brands, even newer models. You also get useful reset tools like oil reset and brake reset. Updates stay free for 2 years, which helps save money. The price range is usually between $299 and $350. Verdict: this great bidirectional scan tool is for users who want a simple tablet tool with wireless use. 3. XTOOL D7, Best Bidirectional Scan Tool for Home Mechanic. The XTOOL D7 Bidirectional Scan Tool feels like a smart helper for your car. It has a bright screen that is easy to read. The buttons are simple and the menu is clear. You don't need much time to learn it. This tool can check almost every part of your car. It reads engine, brakes, airbags, and more. It can also send commands to test parts. You can check fuel injectors, the throttle, and sensors. This helps you spot problems fast. It comes with many reset tools. You can reset oil, brakes, and battery systems. That means you can fix many small issues at home. It also works with many cars, including newer models. The tool is light, so you can hold it easily. It also gets free updates for life, which saves money over time. The price range is usually between $350 and $400. Verdict: a smart scan tool for users who want more control and deeper car checks at home. 4. FOXWELL NT726. The FOXWELL NT726 keeps things very simple. You turn it on and it shows clear steps. The screen is bright and the text is easy to read. Even if you are new, you can follow along without stress. It checks many parts inside your car. You can scan the engine, brakes, airbags, and more. It can also run small tests to see if parts are working. For example, you can test fans or fuel parts. This helps you spot problems fast. You also get helpful reset tools. You can reset oil, brakes, and battery systems. That means you can fix common car issues at home. It works with many cars, including newer models. The tool is light, so you can hold it easily. It also gets free updates for life, which saves money over time. The price range is usually between $300 and $380. Verdict: nice scan tool for beginners who want a no-fuss tool that just works. 5. XTOOL Anyscan A30M V2.0, the best bidirectional scan tool for home mechanic. The XTOOL Anyscan A30M V2.0 is a small but very handy bidirectional scan tool. It does not have a big screen. Instead, it connects to your phone. You use an app to see everything. This makes it feel light and easy to carry. Plug it into your car, then open the app. In seconds, you can scan your car. It checks engine, brakes, airbags, and more. You can also run tests to see if parts are working. For example, you can test throttle or battery systems. It works with both Android and iPhone. The app is simple and shows clear steps. Updates are free, so you don't need extra costs later. The price range is usually between $136 and $180. Verdict: the best bidirectional scan tool for people who want a small tool that works through their phone. 6. THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689 Scan Tool. Best bidirectional scan tool for home mechanic. The THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689 scan tool feels strong and ready to work. It uses a wired connection, so it stays steady while you scan. You don't need to worry about signal drops. Just plug it in and start. The screen is clear and shows simple menus. You can move through options with ease. It checks many car systems, like engine, brakes, airbags, and more. It can also run active tests. You can test parts like fans, injectors, and valves. This helps you see what works and what does not. The tool feels solid in your hand. It also gets lifetime updates, so you don't pay again later. The price range is usually between $400 and $500. Verdict: a good bidirectional scan tool for users who want a steady, wired tool that works every time. 7. King Bolin EDIAG Elite, best bidirectional scan tool for home mechanic. The King Bolin EDIAG Elite is a small and easy-to-carry bidirectional scan tool. It fits in your hand and works with your phone. You just plug it into your car and open the app. In a few seconds, you can start scanning. The app shows simple steps. You can check the engine, brakes, airbags, and more. It can also run tests on parts. For example, you can test lights, fans, or sensors. This helps you find problems fast without stress. It comes with useful reset tools too. You can reset the oil, brakes, and battery systems. These features help you fix basic issues at home. It works with many cars and supports both Android and iPhone. You don't need to pay for updates. They're free for life, which is nice. The wireless use makes it easy to move around your car while working. The price range is usually between $110 and $130. Verdict: perfect scan tool for users who want a tiny, budget-friendly tool for quick checks. Which bidirectional scan tool for home mechanics should you buy? If you want simple use, pick the FOXWELL NT726. It is easy and great for beginners. For phone users, the King Bolin EDIAG Elite or XTOOL A30M is small and quick. Need more features? The XTOOL D7 gives deeper checks. If you like a big screen, the TOPDON AD800BT is great. For stable wired use, the THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689 works well. If you want a balanced tool, the Innova 5610 offers full system scans and active tests. Choose based on budget, ease, and how deep you want to fix your car.